I'm really excited about this because I got a package, came in the mail from Keto Chow and Salty. This should be something really fantastic. Let's get this thing open. I'm going to show you what they've got. It is a brand new flavor of Salty, and that flavor is Blue Slushies. My inner child is screaming for joy with this one because blue was always my favorite flavor, everything when I was growing up. Let's go ahead and mix one of these up and let's see if Salty is going to make all those childhood memories come flooding back. So Blue Slushie is something I'm really excited about because blue slushies, blue candies, all these kinds of things, these were one of the biggest downfalls for me when I was growing up and I didn't even realize I was having all that sugar that wasn't good for me. The blue was always my favorite flavor of everything. So I'm going to mix this up and Ash and I are going to try it because I'm really hopeful for this. If you guys don't know what Salty is a complete electrolyte blend that you can use to get all of the benefits of being properly hydrated when you're on a proper human diet. Magnesium, potassium, and sodium, and natural flavors, and there is no maltodextrin, none of the junk that is hidden in so many other electrolyte brands out there. I'm going to have a link in the description box for you so you can go get some Blue Slushie Salty or any other flavors, and there's a discount applied to that. So I'm going to put that in the description box. Click on that, give Salty a try, especially now since they have Blue Slushie. Let's go ahead and mix one up. Let's see what Ash and I think of this brand new flavor of electrolytes. I like a little bit more water than the package directions usually ask for Salty. That's just my preference. You can use less water and have it be more intense. You can use more water and keep it not quite so sweet and intense, whatever you like. It smells like a blue slush. Now, even though it's blue slush flavor, it's not blue in color because they don't use any of those artificial colors that you find in all of the junk that none of us should be drinking. One of the things I really enjoy about Salty, I've always found it very easy to dissolve. So even if I just throw it into a bottle of water while I'm traveling on the road, I never have any issues with clumps of electrolytes that are really intense and taste way too salty. I've always enjoyed that. That's really nice. Let's go see what Ash thinks. All right, babe, you ready to try the Blue Slushie?
Yes.
Yeah.
Blue Slushie.
Blue Slushie flavor.
That's an interesting flavor.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, wow. This will be my favorite flavor. It seriously will. So I used to love blue slushies. I kind of would say like blue raspberry. You know, like how you would get those blue colored slushies and it's kind of like a blue raspberry type vibe. It's like that. Mm-hmm. It literally, though, I'm really impressed. Wow. Like it is really, really, really good. Man, I automatically think that even if I didn't know what it was called, if I just took a sip, I would totally know right away, like, oh, that's like a blue slushie. Man, it's nice and it's refreshing. I think this is awesome. Great job on like nailing it for sure. It's also like not too sweet. It's not too tart, perfect right in between. It's very refreshing.
Good job, Chris and Miriam, and the whole team over there at Salty and Keto Chow. That's a good one.
Y'all have knocked it out of the park. And honestly, you've made me very happy. This was like my favorite flavor. And I have so many memories like from childhood, but even just like when Chris and I were dating and we were on a standard American diet, we used to go get blue slushies because that was something we had in common. Ices at the gas station or whatever. And we haven't done it in a while. Now we can make some blue slushy electrolytes and sit out on our porch. And it's nice to have an old familiar friend back again. So great job, you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you're going to go make you another one because I'm going to keep this one. Okay. That's yeah, so good.
Here you go, guys. That is the blue slushy flavor of the Salty Electrolytes. The link is down below. Go get yourself a discount and order some of these because you got to get them fast. If you don't, I'm going to order them all. Thank you, Salty. Thank you, Keto Chow, Chris, Miriam, the whole team over there. We love you guys. This is fantastic. Now, guys, remember, you go eat your meat, sometimes drink a blue slushy electrolyte, love your life, and Ash and I will see you in the kitchen for maybe some blue slushy flavored recipe experiments soon.